today is the last day to work on this essay. You're going to be revising and editing it to make sure that you have everything you need for MLA format. So the first thing I want you to do is to select your essay, the entire thing, okay? And I'm just going to show you quickly how to go up to your highlighting color and make sure you have none. Take away those highlights from yesterday, okay? Next, you want to take that same whole essay that's already selected, go up here to where it says line spacing. Notice the arrow there to the left. Click it. Make sure it's set to double. And it should look like that. Okay. Then at the top, hit enter. Go back to the left. Type in your first and last name. On the next line, Mrs. T. Would help if I could see what I was typing. Next line, English is fine. It's just a class. And lastly is the date. The day goes day, month, year. Here in the middle, you're going to put a title. Something like that. Okay, now don't copy my title. All right, next, make sure that you have indented the beginning of the paragraphs because each paragraph should be indented like that. Now you're going to go up to where it says insert. Insert. You're going to have to scroll down here to where it says header and footer. Click that. That is not what I wanted to do. Let's try that again. Insert, header and footer, click header. Now you're going to go up here to the one that says align. Go to this one that's right align. Type your last name. Space. Go back to insert. Now you're going to click where it says page number. This one right here on the left. And then that should be properly done. Select this at the top. Make sure that it's 12 point. And make sure this says Times New Roman. All right. Then we're going to close that. And we're going to do the same thing to the rest of the paper. Make sure this is also 12 point and Times New Roman. And I think you get the idea of how to do that, okay? Next, go back through your paper and check your citations. All right, so make sure that you have a quotation mark, space, parentheses, the author's last name. Now, here, this should be act first, so 1. The scene, lowercase, and then the line number. You do not actually need the words act or scene in that citation. Make sure then after the line number that you have the parentheses, no spaces, and then the period. And then make sure you have a space or two. It's supposed to be 2 technically between the period and the next quote. Okay, so go back through and check that. Also, while you're at it, you might as well check to see if you need any punctuation here between the quote introduction and the first quotation mark. All right. This should take you some time today. Make sure you go back through and you are careful to do so. Finally, you want to copy and paste the works cited information at the bottom. So you're going to hit insert, break, page break. Now go up here to align, center, type the word works cited. Make sure it's the same font, Times New Roman 12-point font, right? This should all be double spaced because I would have selected the whole text. And now you're going to actually insert the works cited information, which I have embedded on today's assignment. You could just literally copy and paste it. All right, that's it for our lesson for today. If you need any help, please ask. I am here to help you.